Hello everyone, and welcome to Sonic Boom Shattered Crystal. The sequel, I believe, um the Rise of Lyric game. I'm thinking supposed to sound like that. Oh. Hello everyone, welcome to Sonic Boom Shattered Crystal, the sequel to the Rise of Lyric game that we played last time. Welcome everyone to Sonic Boom Shattered Crystal, the sequel, I believe, to the Rise of Lyric game that we played last time.
Back off, Lyric!
Not until you tell me what those symbols say. I know they hold the location of the shattered fragments of the lost crystal.
Why do you think your fellow ancients hid the fragments in the first place? So slimy snakes like you couldn't find them and abuse their power.
Those frightened fools were too weak to harness this power. And now they are dust. As the last remaining ancient, the crystal is mine by right.
Hi, Amy. What's up?
Fighting for my life with the fate of the world in the balance. You know, the usual.
Hey! Who's that?
You'll tell me what I want to know, little girl.
I don't think so.
What you think is exactly what this device will reveal.
Amy? Who are you?
You can call me Lyric, or Master. Honestly, once I read the location of the crystal fragments from Amy's brain, I don't care what you call me.
Amy! I gotta get Tails and the gang. Oh, Lyric, you are so gonna get the big beat down.
Okay, they don't seem to know who Lyric is, which is weird because they didn't knew that in Rise of Lyric either. Okay, I'm not sure which one's first in the timeline, but okay, I guess. Seaside Beach. I have actually played this game before, ages ago. There was a demo on the 3DS, okay, on the 3DS eShop. That oh, this game is awful. I can oh. Okay. This game feels awful. I can say that much already. This is not a classic Sonic experience. Oh. Oh. Ah. Ow. What the hell? Okay. God. Oh, hello? Hey, why is it not blue like in the OG game? Oh, the real game. This is definitely just a... This is the side game, 100%. But, oh, okay. Oh, what? I hate this already. This feels awful. I played this ages before on the eShop demo, like 10 years ago. Those, okay, let me just Excuse me. Okay. Alright. Not too difficult yet. I'm not gonna lie. That's fine. That's okay. I don't need that. Oh, I may need that. Okay. Aha. Oh, okay. Hey. Okay. Pull the energy beam. Boop. The inner beam. Okay. Oh, this looks so generic and awful, and I hate it. And doesn't. Hey. And doesn't exactly play very great or smoothly or fun. But I guess every Sonic game means this one as well. Hey, be. So? I'm pretty sure this is for collectibles. This area here. What's that? Big ring? Okay. A. I'm pressing A. Okay. Oh jeez. Okay. I don't know how long Shattered Crystal is. I hope it's not that long. So. Do seem to have a run button. It seems. Oh, okay, easy. Down here. Down here. Hello. Thank you. Oh, I don't need the checkpoint. I don't need the checkpoint. I do need the checkpoint. Oh. I'm not sure if this game has lives. And I'm not gonna lie, the more I play it, the more fluid it does seem. It doesn't play that badly. I think I've been Stockholm syndromed into liking the Sonic Boom series. Huh. Wow. And I don't like it. That's I should make that clear. I do not like this. This is still very bottom tier Sonic games. But the different moves that you have do connect quite well, I'm not gonna lie. Ow. Ah, no, not the pause button. No. Oh my god, please. No. Come on. Please. No. Come on. Yes. Easy first try. Okay, guess we're going here. I hope this game is not too long. Ow, okay. Is there just no way of dying? Did I activate easy mode accidentally or something? You can do it multiple times. Come on. Yep. Ow. Okay, interesting. Easy. Here, I guess. Come on. I think the demo on the 3DS back then, this is all the first level, man. Jesus Christ. Had only like 1 or 2 levels. That's about as much as I remember, and that I didn't quite like it very much at the time. I have to say it plays better than I expected. It almost plays well. What the hell? Blueprints. Oh. I did not expect it to be smooth. And how is it? Ow! Okay. Sure. I don't know what the fuck just happened, but okay. No! Do the homing attack, you... What is happening? What? Okay. Okay. Sure. Ow. Die. Jeez. At the end? Is that the end? I'm not sure what the end looks like. I think that looks like the end. Hey! Okay. 6 minutes. Alright. Not sure what the timeline between Rise of Lyric and Shattered Crystal is. And Sonic didn't know Lyric in either game. That's weird. Cats, I was just online with Amy. She's got a line on those super powerful Shattered Crystal shards that she's been hunting. Cool. Oh. But some big crazy robo snake calling himself Lyric slithered in and snagged her. Not so cool. I was hoping you could use your scientific know-how and plucky can-do attitude to figure out where she is. I can't make the text scroll quicker, by the way. First thing we need to do is figure out where she's been. You can do that? Give me 10 minutes and I'll tell you what she had for breakfast last September. I've been itching to experiment with the ancient tech we gloomed from those ruins. Amy's been digging it. Who says gloomed? I just did. Okay. Very good. That's unlocked for play. Test workshop. Sonic's shack. Seaside jungle. Quincy's toy shop. Unlock new toys. You have 0 tokens. Okay. Sonic's shack. That's the gallery and such. Read a comic. Read a comic. Hey. What? Oh. Thousands of years ago. Now do you see, you old fools? I am unstoppable. Screefakum. No. That cruiser was mine. Its power. Arg. All we've done is slow him. He'll be free one day. We must do what we can while he's incapacitated. The power of this crystal will have made him omnipotent. We must take the shards and scatter them. The present. Idiots! It was futile to try to stop me. I will have what's rightfully mine. This looks like Archie or something. That's crazy. You need an army for that? You object? No, justice must be had by any means necessary. I like your style. You will serve me well. I serve no one. I insist. Welcome to my army, fool. Days later. I told him the rocks were out to get me. Hey, Sticks, having fun? You're funny. Oh. Alan Lee's. Flood wump a fuck. Sonic, grab on. Thanks, is this thing safe? Just grab on. What were you doing down there? I was getting info from the rocks. What? I was. An underground army's gonna rise up and destroy us all. I'm going back to my research. Knuckles, I need help. Okay. Are we there yet? Nope. Are we there yet? Nope. Hey, are we there yet? No. Are we there yet? Why don't you just stand guard? Sure. I keep this place secure. Yeah, you do that. Shh. Keeping things secure. And these ancient glyphs are still legible. One keeps coming up. It seems to translate to lyric. Am I so easily forgotten? Who are you? What are you? I am Lyric, timeless overlord of this world. This time you will help me in my conquest. Back off, Lyric. Not until you tell me what the symbols say. To be continued in game. Aha. Interesting. The backstory. Ted's workshop. We got a blueprint, but I don't know what that is. Okay, whatever. Okay, cool. Alright. Next level, Seaside Jungle. Fascinating. Ooh. Hey, check it out. Amy's tablet is still broadcasting. I was able to download some videos she shot while searching for the shattered crystal shards. She was taking selfies? sort of. Just watch. Key to location, crystal shots, knew I could. The files are messed from when she dropped the tablet, but I wrote the program and cleaned them up. It just might take a while. I hope you wrote a program that will clean up Sticks, because she's going to be a mess when each other BFF is kidnapped. You mean when you tell Sticks? I mean when you tell Sticks. Let's settle this like gentlemen. Rock, paper, scissors? Only because there's no time for chess. 1, 2, 3. Mwah, mwah. I win. My scissors rock. And I've beaten you at chess. Don't get lost in the jungle looking for Sticks' burrow. The way she's sitting, you'd think she was a paranoid recluse. That's a nice way to put it. Alright. Great. Cool. Incredible story. I'm not sure which. I mean, as it's going right now, I'll probably say this game is better than Rise of Lyric, so I don't know. I think the levels are a bit more open world explorable than. I mean, they also are in the main game, so yeah. Now we can play as Tails, yo. Why does this game play so well? What the hell? That's not what I expected, like at all. I was expecting a shitty little. I mean, not saying that this game is very good or anything. I would put Generations 3DS over this one, but you know, Sonic. Oop. Oh. Yo. The jungle. Ah, no, to the. What? Bruh. Bruh. I guess I should. Hello? Let me land. I'll probably set foot sometimes. Oop. Can he spin dash? I can throw bombs. Hey. Oh, he can dash though. Very sensual music here. Yeah, that's Y is the run button. Okay. Oh, hello. Excuse me. Y is the run button, X is special, A is the whip, and B is jumping and stuff. Ow. Ah, do the. Excuse me. Okay. I don't think I feel like the Sonic Boom games, both of them that I've played so far, have been very easy. There's not many threats. Yes, there was like no. I don't even know if I died in Rise of Lyric. There was like no fucking way of dying in that game. That way, okay. Ow. And this game too. I feel like no matter how many times I fall down, I just can't die. Oh, hello, come on. This way, sure. I'm sure that when I just go into a somewhat intended direction, I'll arrive at the end eventually. Can I go for here? No. No. Oh. Yo. Tails. Huh. Easy. Okay. Tap the stats icon to view the level stats. Oh, there's some map. 60%, okay. And like, oh. Ah, oh. Huh. Can I like zoom out or something? I can just look at the entire map. That is interesting. Level stats. Okay. Fascinating. Sure. Checkpoint. Alright. Fly up. This way, sure. I feel like there's always one ideal way. Or the fastest way. It seems optional stuff. Oh! Oh, that's not good. Probably. Go left. Guess we're going left. Oh, do the spin dash, you stupid. The homing attack. Jeez. I don't think I can. Fine, just run. Whatever. I like how fast this game can be. I don't know if it's just because early level design, but yep, come on. Hey, hello. Thank you. I am enjoying this game much more than I did Rise of Lyric. I wouldn't say that, hello, this is necessarily very bad. What the hell? It's crazy. It sticks. Sticks. I've got some good news and some bad news. Bad news? You mean like world peace and an end to hunger and universal healthcare? Well, that would essentially be good news. Not if it was actually a plot by Ladybug overlords to lull us into complacency so that they could eat our brains. Ladybug overlords? Evil Ladybug overlords! Right, then there's the bad news. An evil robot snake named Lyric nabbed Amy, and we don't know where she is. That's great news! It is? Yeah, evil snakes make way better boots than evil ladybugs. And Amy loves boots. I'm coming, Amy. Okay. Sure. Alright. Amy's house. Oh. Can't go there yet. Dixborough. Dixborough. I don't have any crystal shards. Okay. Seaside race. What? What's the blue thing? That's like completed levels or something. But then how do I continue? I have 2 completed levels. I got the one here. I need a 3rd one. But where is that? Oh, this is quick. Aha! It continues. Worm tunnel. Aha! I didn't see that. It continues beyond Amy's house. Okay. Worm tunnel. Yo. Worm. Okay. Is this like... Oh. Ah. Oh. Ah, okay. And I can dash. But I can't move while I'm dashing. I cannot jump. Okay. This is like a fucking mobile game. Yo. I don't know if I necessarily want best time, but if I can boost... Oh. I might as well. Ah, okay. Now I can swing. Okay. Interesting, I guess. Little change of pace. I appreciate that there's a a map on the bottom screen. Hey. Yo. Oh, hey. That's like the robot. That's the robot drill snake from Rise of Lyric. The one boss fight. That wasn't. Or like the one original boss fight, I guess. I wonder if I have all the rings so far. I think so. I don't think I missed anyone. No. Okay. It's kind of cool, I would say. Oh. Come on, 5 more rings. Easy. All rings. Easy peasy. Exploded it. Oh, look at the textures. Yo. Oh yeah. Fantastic. That was neat. Why am I enjoying this game? I don't know. It's crazy. It is totally crazy. I don't think I should be enjoying Shattered Crystal as much as I am. That like... Huh. Hey, that was cool. Okay, now I have 3 things to unlock Seaside Race. Okay. Six. You can't just go running into danger without a plan, a direction, or a clue. Why not? Because that's what I do. Plans are for the weak. Impulse, hysterical action is what's gonna save Amy. Do you even know where to look? Follow the trail of broken lyric robots and we can't go wrong. I don't see any broken lyric robots. Me either. That's why I'm gonna make some. Now you're talking sense. There's no time to talk sense. I've gotta rescue Amy. Stakes. Wait. Okay. Seaside Race. Is this like a race against sticks now? It is. Yo. Sonic rivals, my beloved. Okay, I guess just kind of hold right and jump when they tell me to. Okay. Up here, sure. Incredible. There's also a full rings I can get, so there's probably one perfect route, but I think I already missed my chance for that. Why is Stick so close behind me? That Sonic rivals all over again. Oh no. Oh, come on. Oh, well, she's right there. Oh, she's ahead of me. What do you mean? No. Oh. Oh, I should have gone up there. Okay, whatever. She's right behind me. What do you mean? But I was doing not that bad. No. Go. Oh god. Why is this actually so close? What do you mean? Oh god. Okay. This way, I guess. Oh, no. Okay, easy. I almost messed up there, but it's fine. Oh god, I was wrong. Okay. Oh, that was... Wow. Oh. Go. Oh, she's right behind me. What do you mean? Oh, run. Run, Sonic, run. Easy, not even close. Oh, holy shit. That was closer than I wanted. Hell yeah. But easy. No, not replay. No. Stop that. Quit. Yep. Okay. Okay. A boomerang stuck inside one of those stupid robots. I can help you get it out. It's really jammed in his rogue guts. Was it his gears? Is that the medical term? Wow, it's really in there. Or you can pull it out yourself. No, we'll do it together. Teamwork. It's the only way we're gonna save Amy. Uh-huh. Speaking of Amy, I deciphered another one of her logs. Another clue on my way to Scrapyard. Meet up with Knuckles. Group hug for me, myself and I. Next stop, the Scrapyard to find Knuckles and see what we know about Amy. He knows about Amy. Hey Sticks, why is your boomerang gooey? Alright. Slingshot. Ah, so I guess that's well too. Yep, pull inner beam. I think that's the first world. Next time we're gonna take a look at the scrapyard in Knuckles' hangout. I think that's just Knuckles has stepped out. Come back tomorrow. Next time we're gonna check out the scrapyard in what? What? Excuse me? Okay, hold on, wait. I need one more level win. Where would I do that? Oh, or I need to collect all the shards or collect all the gears. Oh, it's one of those games. Oh my god. Well, I really don't want to do that. I really don't. I'll figure something out. I'm sure there'll be a second part. If there won't be, it's gonna flash right here, right now. If not, disregard that. Thank you for watching. That was the first world of Sonic Boom Shard Crystal. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time. Bye bye.